A equal to 10, fine. Now, while A, what is A value? 10 is less than or equal to, while 10 is less than or equal to 20. This is the condition. 10 is less than or equal to 20. What is the condition? Is it true or false? Condition is true. While the condition is true until the condition is false, that loop will be getting iterated. You already know that while loop. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now while loop starts from here, ends with here. While loop starts from here, ends with here. Okay. Now if A is equal to 15, what is A value? Come on, tell me. 10. So when we need to bother about this block, when we need to think about this block, whenever A value is 15. Guys, yes or no? Whatever the code which is present inside this if condition, it will be getting executed only if A value is 15. Until then, no need to worry about it. So directly go to here, system.out.println, A value 10. First, A value 10. After that, A plus plus. Right now, what is A value? 11. Guys, come on. After completing this line number 24, what is A value? 11. Again, checking the condition. A value is 11. Checking the condition. Condition is true. Am I supposed to worry about this if block? No. Why? Because A value is 11. Guys, yes or no? This block will be getting executed only if A value is 15. So no need to worry about this until A value is 15. So here A value 10 will be printed, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just 11, 12, 13 and 14 will be printed. After that, here, whenever A value got incremented to 15, whenever A value got incremented to 15, here the condition is true. Okay. Enter into while loop. Now, checking the condition, 15 is equal to 15. The condition is true. Enter into if block. If block. Inside the if block, again I'm writing while. Yeah, fine. I told you we can write it, right? While B is less than or equal to 30. What is B value? 20. So here 20 is less than or equal to 30. And here our output is TRUE, true. Enter into this loop. Enter into this while loop. Inner while loop, right? If B value is equal to 25, then this block will be getting executed. So what is B value? 20. So no need to worry about this. Am I right or wrong? So B value, tell me, 20 will be printed. After that, up to 21, 22, 23 and 24. 21, 22, 23 and 24 will be printed. After that, B value will be incremented to 25. Now, if B is equal to 25, compiler came across break statement and it will be coming out from the inner loop. Inner while loop means it will be coming out from this loop. After that, system.out.println A value, what is A value, guys? Still A value is 15 only, right? So A value will be 15. After that, 16, 17, 18, 19, up to 20 will be printed. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Up to A value 14. After that, B value will be printed up to 25. And then as the compiler came across break statement, it will be coming out from the inner loop. And then A value will be printed up to 20. As simple as this. Got it, guys? So this is about control statements. So guys, let me tell you one thing. If you are mastered in control statements, literally you can create wonders in programming. Wonders, literally wonders in programming. Okay, so please try to work more on these control statements, and every point is important. Like in switch, I told you some points. In if, I told you some points. For, I told you some points. Don't worry, guys. Just follow the basics. That's it. Just follow the basics. You will be able to write the code. You will be able to get the output. All right. Online students, I hope it's clear, guys. Online students, please tell me, is it clear for everyone? Guys, please respond. Please respond. Right. Right. Very good. Very good. Right. Okay. Okay, guys, one more time I am saying you, just for one last time, here, first, whenever we are calling method 1, A value, B value is 20. B value is 20, right? Inside this method, we are having one more variable, int A equal to 10. While loop, I'm writing while loop, while A is less than or equal to 20. What is A value? 10. So A value is 10. It is less than or equal to 20. The condition is true, entering into the while loop. All these statements, whatever the statements which I have highlighted, are in the while loop. All these statements will be getting executed. Okay. Now line number 10. Here I'm using if statement. If statement. In if I'm giving a condition. If this condition is true, then only compiler will be entering into this block, or else it will not enter. So we need to worry about this only if I value is 15. Until then, no need to worry about this particular code. So directly system.out.println A value will be 10. After that, it will be incremented to 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 14, fine. Whenever A value becomes 15, if block will be getting executed. Now inside this if block, we are having one more while. Now here B is less than or equal to 30. What is B value? B value is 20. So yes, 20 is less than or equal to 30. Enter into this while loop. Now here we are having one more if condition. We need to worry about this if condition only if B value is 25. Until then we can go with the execution. So B value up to 24, it will be printed. Whenever B value becomes 25, then if block will be getting executed, and here we have written break statement. So whenever it came across break statement, it will be coming out from the inner while loop. After that, again the same process will be repeated until I value is less than or A value is less than or equal to